Yeah, there's a real challenge. I think some of the questions are quite interesting here because there's definitely policy initiatives that are encouraging issuance. There's a desire to demonstrate commitment and engagement, particularly with the E side of the equation. But the S side of the equation and governance are also very important, but the sustainability side. There's very much a demand coming from investors to see compliance and effort. Some investors actually place mandates around where they want their assets deployed and expect to see progress. So I think there's a real, it's not really worded that way, but the need to comply with international domestic ESG standards and global investor demand, I would say not just for ESG assets, but for compliance with the effort to address the E side of the equation.
Thank you, David. So I guess from just a quick follow-up from your standpoint, definitely the catalyst or driving this really has been just kind of making sure that you basically tick all the boxes, so to speak. What about in terms of investor diversification, getting new areas of capital when issuers go and do green in this region?
I think it helps on the investor diversification side. I think when people talk about whether investing or issuing green and sustainable finance bonds results in improved pricing, the other term for that is a green premium, but I think it's more about avoiding the brown penalty, which is if you demonstrate that you're making an effort, if you show sustainability principles, then you open wider the potential for investor participation than if you close that opening. So I think it's not so much helping people on the pricing side as it's opening doors to investors that might otherwise be very cautious.